If you're considering selling your home, you might be thinking about using more than one agent. I mean, more agents mean more chance of selling your property, right? You might think so, but ask yourself the question, who do you want competing for the sale? The buyers or the agents? Well, the agents aren't going to buy your property, so that's really a non-starter. But surely having more agents in the marketplace means that you'll end up getting more exposure. Remember that most buyers will see your home from a property portal or a show house board, so they're all essentially coming from the same source. Having 3 or 4 for sale signs outside your home may signal desperation. Then buyers think you'll take anything and they'll put in a low offer. So if you are thinking of selling, give the best agent a sole mandate and allow them the opportunity to spend money on marketing your home effectively, with the assurance that you've got their back and they have yours.